Okay, we're taking a look at the 2D pathfinding algorithm. We're just going to look at the simple flood fill algorithm. We have over here a unit on the left hand side, the green square, and a red square on the right hand side. They are separated by this grey wall. Okay, so how this algorithm works is you start by allocating a 0 to your unit, or the tile that your unit is on. And then what you do is for every tile that is adjacent to this tile, you give it the value 1. Okay, from here you then go to each one that you've just added and you check the adjacent tiles. You check them for two things. You check 1, are they valid tiles, and 2, have they been added to the list yet. If they are valid and they have not been added to the list, you give them the value 2. Yeah, once you've done that, you keep doing the same process over and over again. So now you go to all of the 2's, you check the adjacent tiles to see if they are valid and they have not been assigned a value yet. If that is the case, you give them the value 3. And you keep doing that until you end up with this situation. Now once you're here, how does this help you to find a path to your destination? Well, take a look at your destination tile here. It is surrounded by 4s, 5s and 6s. So what you do there is you look for the lowest value. In this case we have 3 4s. Now which one do we choose? Well, it doesn't really matter, but your algorithm would most likely just select the first one it found, which if you started searching from the 0 index, you would most likely be using this number 4 over here. So we select that tile. Then for all the tiles surrounding this one, we check for the lowest value, which is now this 3. We move to that one. We look for the lowest value. Now here the lowest value is 2, but if we don't want our unit to cut corners, we might not want it to be able to go to this 2 either. But for our purposes, we can say our unit is cutting corners, so we add the 2 to the path. Go to the 2, look for the lowest tile, which in this case is the 1, and now we're on the tile next to our unit. So how does this help our unit? Well, obviously now we have a path, so we just need to follow this path in the reverse order in which it was created. So in other words, the last tile that we added to the list, we set as the destination first. So our unit is now going to travel from here to the center of this tile, from the center of this tile to the center of this one, and so on, all the way until it gets to its destination. Very simple but powerful pathfinding algorithm.